Hello kids, a warm welcome to my class. Okay, children, in today's class I am going to teach you how to write. Okay, do you like writing? Yes. Okay, children, first you don't write. Okay, you need to scribble, you need to draw some patterns. Okay, you need to draw over the dotted lines. Okay, children? Yes. Shall we begin now? Okay, children, I have written something here. Okay, can you see this? Okay, just to recall once again, what is this line? This is a sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. See, this just you need to write like this. Okay, this is a beginning practice for you to write. Children, you are going to learn the cursive writing, right? Yes, in order to write them, okay, you need to practice these patterns first. Okay, it is very good for you to learn the writings. Okay, then later, yes, see this. See, this is one of the pattern. See, can you find the next one? See this, how did I write? Okay, climbing up, climbing down, coming down, climbing up, coming down. See, okay, here you can find two slanting lines crossing each other, right? Okay, see them. This is from right to the left. Okay, this is from left to the right. Okay, right to left, left to right. These are the slanting lines. Okay, so without leaving the pencil, okay, without leaving the pencil tip, you need to see how am I writing here, right? Okay, in the same way you need to practice this pattern. Okay, children? Yes. See the next one. See how is it? Is a curve formation. See, climbing up, down, climbing up and down. See, this is something like a mountain, right? Or a hill. How is a hill? Yes, in a similar way you can find them here. Okay, okay. See the next one. This is a curve. What curve it is? This is a downward curve, children. See, you need to start from this point. Okay, you need to start from this point. Okay, without removing your pencil, continuously you need to draw upon that. Yes. Okay, see, this is a downward curve. Okay, so this is a chain of curves. Okay, so this is a chain of curves. Okay, see again, now it is the curve is in the upward direction. Okay, see them, how is it written? Yes, while writing certain alphabets like U, see, this is a formation. So we are teaching you these patterns in the beginning before we start writing the cursive handwriting. Okay, yes, yes, children. See the next one. See, when you write the alphabets like E, L, see, this is how. Okay, you need to practice. Okay, can you do that? Yes. Okay, in your handwriting book you have all these patterns as well as the dotted lines also. First on the dotted lines you practice, next you start writing each line. Okay, children? Yes. See the next one. This is a bigger looped this thing, right? Patterns. See, here the loop is big. Yes. When you have some threads or when you have some ropes, okay, you will find this loop, right? Okay. Similarly, this is some way. This is one of the pattern. Okay. Yes. See another one, it's quite straight here. See, this is also a loop formation. Yes, see, Can you practice like this? Okay, good. I want you to practice this in your copybook or in the this handwriting books. Okay. Yes. See the another one. O. When we write O, how do you start? See. Just you write on that. Okay. See. This is how we write. This is how we write. This is just one circle. Okay. See one more. Which letter assimilates this? See, yes. Letter yes. How do you write that? See, when you write yes, even the R also sometimes you write like this, right? Okay, children. So you have learned certain patterns, okay, of the alphabets, okay. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to write the cursive letters. Okay, children, do you have the copybook with you? Yes. If you don't have, you need to buy a 4 lines copybook. Okay. Yes, because in the handwriting book you don't have much space to practice them. See, you have already 1 or 2, 3 lines. Okay. Yes, to practice it every day you need to buy one copybook. On that you need to practice every day. Okay. So shall we write? Yes. Now see, in the 4 lines, how do you write? Capital A. Start from here. See, this is how you write A. Okay. This is cursive A. Can you write it again? See, this is capital A. Okay. How do you write the small a? That should be written within these 2 lines. See? See? This is how you write small a. Okay? Small a. Are you clear? Okay. Shall we write the next one? How do you write B? Okay, see, how do you write B? Okay, start from here, one standing line from top to the bottom, and you will write like this. Okay, this is B. Okay, this is B. Or you can just slant in this way, and even you can write like this. See, this is capital B. That is capital B. Can you see that? Okay. Shall I write big now? See? See? Capital B. Okay. How is a small b? See? This is how you write B. I will show it in 3 lines. See? See? This is how you write B. Okay. Yes. See the next one after B. What is the next one? Which is the next letter? C. How do you write C? C. This is C. Okay. How do you write small c? C. This is how you write small c. Okay. Okay, shall we write the next one? Okay, D. How do you write? See, D. Okay, this is capital D, and the small d you should write like this. See, how do you write that? Okay, can you practice? Yes. Okay, can we see the next one, children? What is the next one? That is E. Okay, how do you write that? Okay, that is also written within the 3 lines. Okay, E. Small e in this way. Okay, You want me to write again? See, this is capital E, small e. Okay. How do you write that? In this way. Okay. You write E. What is the next alphabet? Which is the next letter? Yes, F. How do you write that? See, capital F, small f. Okay, capital F and small f. Can you practice that? Okay. See, while writing F, capital F, see, this is capital F, small f. Small f, the tail should touch to the fourth line. Okay? Yes. So, this is A, B, C, D, E. Okay? Okay. We shall see the next letters. See now. Okay. What is the next one? G. See, this is capital G, small g. Yes. Okay. This is small g. Write the next one. H. How do you write H? See, H. Small h. This way. Can you be able to practice them? See, G, G, capital G, small g, capital H, small h. Okay, this is how you need to practice. Okay, shall I teach the next letter? Yes, what is the next letter? I. How do you write I? See, I. Okay, capital I and small I. How do you write small I? One second. Capital I you can write like here. Wait, 1 second. Okay, this is capital I between the three lines. Small I. Okay, see, this is how you write capital I and small I. J. See the J, it should touch to the fourth line. See, this is J. Okay, see, this is small j. It is having a big tail J here. Small j. Okay, this is how you write I, J, sorry, J. Shall I write now one after the other? See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, this is how you write capital. How do you write the small? See, A, B, C, D, E, okay, F, G, H, okay, H, I, J. Okay. Okay, children, I am going to teach you the rest of the alphabet letters in my next class. Okay, children? Okay, shall we continue it in the next class? Okay, thank you.